There's his first touch. Short side of the field, and all Packers in the area, and he's bumped out. 2-yard loss.
Packers usually...
Cohen. There he goes, darting to the outside.
Good luck tackling him.
Clinton Dix saying, where's he going? And there is a yellow marker out.
That's going to be a hold.
Fucking shit!
Next elite level status. Drafted him high in the first round.
Yep, last year, a year ago out of Georgia. So, punt to Cohen. He slips for a moment, and now here he goes. Before it's Rutkowski making plays on special teams as well. Handoff, Cohen.
Replay here, he's 15 yards away.
Vogel, a little pressure up the middle. Cohen slips out of the tackle. Where do you go now? Gets away from Ryan and then somersaults down at the 28.
Patient.
Going to Cohen. There he is.
Timeout.
Packers.
Timeout, Chicago. Tampa 2. Soft drop out by the middle linebacker. Right to the goal line.
Lennon. Complete. Cohen.
Timeout.
Down to the 4.
Timeout.
Seen anything close to what they had at Soldier Field against Pittsburgh.
Yeah. I call them the Blues Brothers. They're going to have blues tomorrow. I mean, it's going to be a Blues Friday. I mean, the safeties are down, both of them, inside of 5 yards. I mean,
storyline is that game. To Cohen. Steps out after 5. Yeah, they turned it over.
On the line of scrimmage.
No kidding.
Before you feel like maybe there's too many.
2nd and 6. And Cohen is about a foot short. He's 5'6", is Tarik Cohen out of North Carolina A&T, drafted in the 4th round. As you said, he's called the human joystick.
He is a human joystick. This field doesn't do it justice because it's a little bit tougher to cut on, but if you allow him to cut, he's tough. And you just got to give him space. They got to get him out and empty in the slot, in the the weak side of the field, and get on linebackers and let him just kill him.
Not enough for the first down, actually, so Cohen gets another carry. Let me show you something, though, and it's all you need to know, really, about what this kid can bring when he has a chance to show off his skill. Look at that.
Oh, my goodness.
2 footballs.
Do that again. Look at that.
No, that is a standing flip and a double catch. And the first-team Walter Camp All-America, 3-time conference offensive player of the year out of the Mid-Eastern Athletic Conference at North Carolina A&T, continually operating NFL Stadium. That's continual, the key word there. And 3rd and 1 with all kinds of flags past the 8-minute mark. Cohen is the back on 1st and goal. Cohen, look at that car traffic down to the 3. Coming up next,
this game's simple. And then Green Bay with the 2 injured at tackle.
There's Cohen. Cohen finally able to find a little room, but a flag, and it might be coming back.
Offense number 46. 10-yard penalty. First down.
That was going to double his yardage for the game. Went to his first NFL game, and he walked out there and he looked at the NFL quarterback's throw, and he goes, I'm going to have a long career in the NFL.
Yeah.
I remember when I went there, he said it. And McCarthy decided to draft Alex Smith instead when he was in San Francisco.
3rd and 15.
But that's not his decision when he was the coordinator,